All right, so let's talk about putting paint protection film on a Macan. This is a 2023 Macan. Really, this video goes for any car. It doesn't. I can tell you the specifics on this car, but applying the film is you know, it's similar. So this company here, Invisible Mask, I bought this paint protection film from them. The kit comes in a box like this. It comes with a couple supplies, this and a squeegee to apply the stuff. It came with 2 bottles here. For one, you put 8 ounces of alcohol with 32 ounces of water, or 8 ounces of alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and then fill the rest up to the 32 ounces. And then soap, so 1 milliliter of baby shampoo to 32 ounces of water. And so you use the soap solution as to clean with, and as a slip solution so that when you put the film on there, it can slide around before it sticks. You use the alcohol also as some pre-prep and cleaning if you need it, and then as a tack solution to kind of spray away the soapy stuff. It comes rolled up and in a long strip like here, so it's this big old long piece. You got to pull that all off of there, spraying it down with soap and all over your hands and all over the film, so that way so the film doesn't stick to anything. So that's kind of the general idea. What I did was all of this part, and then from this body seam down all the way across to over here. That's all I did, just those 2 pieces. And the kit comes with inside the door cups here for all 4 of the door handles, and edge guard film for all of the seams for the edge of the door, little strips you'll put on there. So $178 after the discount, $210 before the discount is what it cost me to buy the film. There's some videos on their website on how to install film in general, not specific to any particular car. They just give you the general stuff, working from like the center out so that it tacks, and then kind of work it around. It didn't come out perfect. It's my first time ever doing something like this. I wouldn't say that it's hard work. I mean, I think splitting 3 cords of wood is hard work, or digging a ditch that's 50 foot long. That's hard work. This wasn't hard, but it does take skill and experience. And it showed me that I didn't know as much as I thought I would know. And so it was getting everything lined up, like around the lights and on the edges and stuff. There was more to it than I had assumed. I get why the pros now charge what they charge. That lower piece was going to be $1,200 from a really good, reputable shop locally, and then they wanted about another $12 to do the top hood. I have not done that top part. I don't know that I will. With as much curves and everything as there are, I don't want to have a bunch of imperfections up there. So anyway, that's kind of what I think about doing that job. Was it worth $178? Yeah, it was. Would I want to do it all the time? No. I certainly wouldn't want to do it without a lift being down on the ground that low. That would not be fun. A lift might be, or a little rolly cart might help. But if I had to sit on the ground and do it, that would not be a good time. But anyway, that's what I think about doing Invisible Mask on a car.